Hello, I'm in Memphis, along with James. James, point the camera at yourself. There's James right there. Today, I've got the Vankyo Go 200 projector over here.
Way dark. I can't see it.
I can fix that. There it is. So that's what we're going to be using to project the image from the drone on that wall back there. And then the plan is to attach the projector to the Phantom and fly it up to another building downtown. Oh, this could be terrible, but it could be entertaining. It is nighttime. If you're a hobbyist, you can fly at night as long as you have one of these on your drone. This is a Lume Cube strobe. The price has been lowered. There's a link in the description. The projector comes with this cord, which is a big HDMI at one end and teeny tiny HDMI at the other end that plugs into the projector itself. It's very easy. If you have a crystal sky, you just plug this in to the HDMI port right there, and then I'll plug the other end into the projector. So here's the problem. We're in a parking structure, and of course there's rebar all throughout it, and it won't let us calibrate the compass. So the thinking was, get far away from the rebar and try it again, right?
Let's try it.
So try. If you're not going to fall off of there.
No, I'm not.
All right, then hold it above your head and do it that way.
Yeah.
To get it further away. I don't know if this is going to work, but go. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall.
Good.
Switch.
Switch.
Yep, and go. Keep going. If this works. It worked.
It worked?
That's fantastic. Thank you, James. This is a great little projector, but it's running on battery, and when a projector runs on battery, it's always lower lumens than when it's plugged in. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, it's working. Look at that. Hi. Wow, that's cool. All right, well, let's take off. All right, come on down. We have some lights in the parking lot that are really bright, so they are shining on the wall over here.
Yeah.
And it's kind of washing it out, but
from my point of view, it looks really good.
Let's get a shot of the city. We can see the city on the wall, yes?
Barely.
Barely?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
I wonder
move
if we should have
this.
shot off the other wall.
Yeah, I'm gonna move this over here in the dark. Oh yes, now we're getting it. Now we're getting the city. Oh, that looks great. Of course, it looks better here in the crystal sky, but if you're ever at a place where you want to share your flight with people, there it is. That's how you do it. This is interesting, flying just using the big screen. That way I can keep line of sight. Let's head over to the bridge. There it is. All right, James, let me know if I can cross the street, if there's any traffic or anything.
And go ahead and go.
All right. This is good airspace to fly in.
Yes, you are good.
You can see here on Air Map, we got permission. Beautiful bridge. When does the light show start, James?
Well, like every 15 minutes.
Oh, I hope it's about to start. What a beautiful, beautiful bridge. Oh man, that city. Let me just do a quick pan of the city. Beautiful. I love flying at night. It makes me kind of nervous, but it's just beautiful, especially in a large city like this. There we are. All right. Do a hand catch.
You got it.
Now you want to tape that to this and
That's up to you. That's my drone.
That's James speak for, maybe we shouldn't, but I know you want me to, so let's do it. All right, so the plan is tape this projector on here somehow, maybe like this. Put this USB stick of me waving in here, have it playing, and then fly it up there and shine it on the side of that building.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
I like your optimism.
Yeah.
Put the USB stick in the Vankyo Go 200. Then, that'll be good. Let's do a test hover. Nope.
Nope. Too
No?
much weight. No, it's just gonna go like this.
Is it?
It's heavy.
We've come up with a new idea. Putting it on the top. These are not gonna hit, even with the USB on it. So this is better balanced. Yeah, this will be fine, right? I'm just gonna slather it up with gaffer's tape.
How's it feel?
Feels all right. Test flight, we're gonna go slow. Oh yeah.
I'm moving out of the way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, no, that's gonna work. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so it's projecting on my face. and we're recording on here, we're recording over there, and we're about to take off. All right. You got the camera?
Yep. You got it, Ken?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you see it on the side of the building? You filming that?
Yes.
Let's go up to the higher part. There we go. We got satellite. It won't go any higher than that. For some reason, it won't go higher than that. Well,
Why is it not?
I don't know. I think that's as good as it's going to get for now. It might be the buildings. What do you think?
I want to actually get it up there.
Yeah, me too. Beginner mode is not on. I got the maximum
Distance
height.
limit still turned off.
Yeah, all that. No.
Why?
Must be a geofence or something with the city. Sure, why not?
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. All right, here we are at a new location, and we're gonna try to go up on that wall.
Take off.
Oh yeah, that's working. Dude, it's working. Am I gonna get a copyright strike for that shitty music? You keep an eye on. Tell me if I don't get too close to the building.
Oh, I'm keeping a good eye on it.
All right.
You're just drifting back.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Excellent. Well, there I am. It's doing that adjusty thing. There we go. The beautiful city. And now here comes some cars, so we get back out. There we go. Success, James. This isn't something I would do all the time, but it's a good proof of concept. Excellent, James. I think that's a win.
Yeah.
Is that bright? Is that pretty bright?
It is pretty bright.
There you go. There's a link in the description. You can get this Vankyo Go 200 in mid-October. So just click my affiliate link and then save it to your wish list. Thank you for your help today, James.
You're welcome.
Until next time, go out and make your own adventures. Buh.
And bye.
And then I'll plug the other end into the projector. Projector? I hardly know it. James? James? This video lovingly sponsored by RemotePilot101.com. If you are serious about making money with your drone, then you're going to need, from the FAA, a 14 CFR Part 107 certification. And the best place to study for that certification is RemotePilot101.com. Jason Shepard is a pilot and author of 8 best-selling aviation flight training books. And yes, taking tests suck, especially government tests. But Jason breaks it down into 10 easy lessons into little digestible pieces that even someone like me can learn from. And if I can do it, you can do it, by golly. Get the knowledge, become a Part 107 certified drone operator. Use Heron 18 to get 30% off. That knocks the price down to 104 bucks. Look at that! Boom! Magic time! You wouldn't drive without a driver's license. Don't fly without a UAS license. RemotePilot101.com. There's a copper.
We ain't doing nothing wrong. Keep going.
You'll never get us, copper. He's coming in here. Let's hide the explosives and the drugs. And what else do we have? Prostitutes. We gotta hide those too.
Oh, they're all in my truck.
Oh, that's right. They're watching the explosives and drugs.
My wife's gonna see this.
I mean, what else are prostitutes for but to watch your stash?